Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first disconnect all USB, SD card, pen drive, SSD, USB external. Okay, I'm not talking about internal. Okay, then next repair, update the driver. Okay, so open any browser first and type this and type driver. Enter your model number of your laptop. If you are using different, so need to update the chipset driver. Okay, and then graphic card driver. Okay, driver download, then hit enter. So first link which is obvious, and if you are using different mother laptop, so no worry about it, you can use this. Okay, if you not getting any driver, so please comment me in this video, I will create another video. Okay, select the operating system which one, and Windows 11, and then click to submit. Scroll down, find out chipset, extract the chipset. Okay, so this is a chipset driver, and click to download. After that it will start the downloading. Okay, single click to open, then click to next. I accept, next, next. Now this is installing. Install in the background. Scroll down, click on more driver. After that audio, graphic card, extract, and then click to graphic card, click to download. After that it will start also downloading like this. So if you are using another laptop, so no worry about it, you can install directly chipset driver and graphic card driver. Okay, then so it's start downloading. So let's start another step. Click to start, type cmd, and then right click to run as administrator, and then type this command. Okay, and then hit enter. So after that it will start the percentage. When it is completed, then try to second one. So second one is sfc scan now, and then hit enter. Okay, then driver also downloading. Then when it is completed, then next graphic card driver, then next I accept, next, next, and click to install. Okay, so installing, and make sure you will try this command. This is so important for your system. It will repair and restore your corrupted Windows file. Okay, thank you. If you are any issue regarding this, so please comment me, I will create another video and upload it. Thank you.